you, girl, until the end of time. Girl, you got me singing.
Hey kids, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. If you are a kitty that has been watching my videos, liking, supporting my channel, girl, I see you. Real. Alright, so in today's video we are going to be doing a tutorial on this look. So that's going to be coming up, and the special thing about this look is it was a requested video, which I love. That's how you engage, okay? That's how you engage. You give requests, we talk, you know, we exchange. That's how you engage. I actually asked a question on my community tab here on YouTube about requested videos, things that you would like to see, and someone requested a full glam with each product being $20 or under. Okay, so more of an affordable makeup look. So all the products that I use are under $20, of course, and this is the look that we came up with. This is kind of like a signature glam for me with a little bit, you know, a little blushy, a little cute. Yeah, so hopefully you guys like it. That's going to be coming up next. Hey kitty, so it's a voiceover. How do you guys like voiceovers? You gotta let me know. Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer a voiceover or do you like me talk as I do the video? I find the voiceovers to be a little easier, so I can just focus on the makeup and then explain everything while watching the makeup with you. You know, let me know. But let's get into business. I just added my favorite Lumi Glotion onto my face to give me that nice glow. That's the shade Deep, I believe. And as a primer, I'm using the Sephora Smooth and Blur Primer. It's a primer that has like a silicone texture to it, and it just fills in and smooths over my pores. I have large pores near my cheek area, so that's where I just put it. So this is going to create a very smooth base or smooth canvas for the makeup, and that's what I love. And for my foundation, this is my favorite full coverage matte drugstore foundation, and this is by NYX Cosmetics. It's the Can't Stop Won't Stop. I'm in the shade Cocoa, so I'm just going to be putting that on my face, mainly focusing on the bottom half of my face because we are going to bronze and conceal and do all of that. So I try not to do too much layering. So in the areas that I know concealer is going to go, I'm not really putting much of the foundation. I'm just putting it towards the bottom half of my face. And this is my NYX Correct Stick. It's in the shade Cappuccino. I use it to highlight under my brows. I love to use this to highlight under my brows because it is a cream, but it's in a stick form, so it's very easy to control and just very forgiving. So if you have issues trying to conceal your brows with just normal liquid concealer, try a stick form because it's, like I said, a lot more forgiving. So now we're going to use another NYX Cosmetic Corrector Stick, and I'm going to use the shade Apricot to cancel out any sort of darkness that I have or any discoloration that I have near my under eye, because when we go to put the concealer, if there's any darkness, it tends to come through a little gray under the concealer. So I'm just doing a little color correcting. You guys don't really see me do that often, but I'm trying to get into it, girl. Okay, now I'm concealing. Now this concealer is so old, but this is the first time that I've tried it. I purchased it the other day, but I know this has been out for a long time. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. And I really, really, really love the finish of this. So I decided to use it on this tutorial because it is under $20 and it's good, girl. It's good. So I'm just blending everything out with my blending brush. I like to start blending on the bottom edge of the concealer before working my way up towards, like, you know, the under eye, and we just blend that out. I love the way this brush blends out the concealer. It just looks so flawless. Okay, so flawless. All right, so I'm just going to continue to do that on, of course, both eyes until everything is as seamless as I can get it. But I do really love this concealer. It's by Maybelline. It's taken me years to try it, girl. The girls have been using this for many, many years. But I was like, let me get on this little, let me jump on this train. And it was because I really wanted to do this affordable video. So I was like, let me try a different concealer. Because the only concealer I have that's under $20 is the e.l.f. concealer. And you guys have seen that already. And I wanted to get something new for the video. So that was new. So we just blend, blend, blend. Tap, tap, tap. But as we blend out this concealer, now I was thinking about, I love doing makeup videos, but I wanted to do like some makeup videos where we do like talk about certain topics or conversations. I think that would be cute. I did start to do something like this a while back, and I used to call them kitty conversations. So I want to do that again, but I want topics. I don't want to make up the topics. You guys need to help me make up the topics so we can talk about what you want to talk about. You know, I think that'll be cute. Maybe in some PJs, have some snacks, you know, and do makeup and just talk a lot of shit, you know. So that sounds a lot of fun. It sounds really girly and cute. So let me know if you're into it, because if you are, we can start a little train in the comments where you guys can have requests on different topics if you want. But let me know. Anyway, let's get back to the makeup. I put some of that concealer on my eyelid, and now I'm going to set my concealer with this foundation powder. It's by Juvia's Place. This has been in the back of my drawer. I don't know why I put it so far in the back, because it's so damn good. The shade is Cabo, and it just gives me this flawless finish when I apply the powder. I just press it in, and it just is the perfect shade to highlight with. And I'm like, why is this so far in the back of the drawer? I forgot I even had it. I dug it up specifically for this video because I was like, I know I have a powder. This is literally the only powder I have that's under $20, and it's so damn good. Like, why would I leave her in the back in the dust like that? I'm gonna put her in the front though. I'm definitely putting her in the front. Now this is my Thread Beauty complexion stick. I love to use this to bronze my face. I do more bronzing than I do contouring. So I just put some on the perimeter of my face just to bring back the warmth and the color, you know, back to my face after doing all the highlighting. So I'm just placing that around the perimeter. I'm going to use it to bronze or contour my nose. And it's just perfect shade. It's the shade 180, I believe. I've had this for a while, and I love the finish of it. You can find Thread Beauty, I believe, in Target is where I got it. Definitely love it, and it's an affordable, very affordable brand. So another one on the list that you can check out that is $20 or less. Girl, I like this little video. I like the theme. But yeah, it's cute. So I'm blending this out. Look how easy this blends out. Such a perfect shade. It's not doing too much. It's just giving me the right amount of warmth without being overbearing. So it's a perfect shade. Again, 180 is the shade that I'm wearing. And I'm just using my blending brush. This is actually a blush brush by e.l.f. And I'm just using it to blend out the bronzing shade. And this brush, I love this freaking brush. I got it from Amazon. It does really great under the eye concealer. It also does really great contouring the nose. I'm definitely going to include this because I did get a request for brushes for beginners, and all the brushes come from Amazon. So that's going to be a super easy video and very helpful. So I'm going to be doing that next probably. All right, so now I'm using another NYX Correct Stick to further bronze my nose. I really like this, or contour my nose. I like this shade better. So I just went to deepen it a little bit and blend it out with that brush. And now you can see that I have an actual bridge to my nose, because I don't really have a definitive bridge at all. But when I do this, it does elongate the nose and just make my face look a lot more symmetrical once I do this step. So now we're going to try this blush. Listen, just watch, because I just got this. Morphe recently came out with this. It's called their Hot Shot blush, and this is in the shade Fireball. It's water based. Okay, so it gives a very light wash of color, but it's so perfect. The finish, just keep watching, girl. But the shade is Fireball. How cute is it? You can control this. It's not too super pigmented where it's very hard to control. You can build it, and it builds so nicely. Even if you set your face, because you know I have powder. I put the Cabo powder, the Juvia's Place powder, in the shade Cabo. I have it on my under eyes, but this still blends out so nicely. And it's a water-based formula again. It looks so pretty. I'm going to put another blush on top of this towards the ending of the video, a powder blush, and it's going to be magic. When I tell you magic, a perfect combo, yeah. But this is a blush. I really love it. I only have one shade because I was, you know, kind of skeptical on whether or not I would like it, but I actually love it. So I'm just adding another drop just to build the color. I want to keep the control. I don't want it to get too out of hand. So I'm just adding one more drop, tap, 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 but it's really bringing so much life to my face. And of course I got to lean over to my mirror and check it out. But it's really, really, really beautiful. This formula is literally genius. Yes, girl. I was feeling it. But it's so cute. It's so cute. This shade is so perfect on my complexion. If they have an orange shade, I might jump on that. I might jump on it. I don't need it, but I kind of just want it, you know? So I don't know if it's the formula. I think it's the formula, the finish of it, as well as the shade. It gives me such a youthful look with this blush. Blush typically makes you look a little youthful if you apply it correctly, but this finish is so fresh. Like this would look great with a no makeup look. So I love it. 10 out of 10. And now we're gonna go for, it's a lot of Juvia's Place products in this video, but this is the Juvia's Place bronzer. Love this, and this is under $20. Affordable, but this could easily be, you know, more than $20 because it performs really well. And the shade is perfect. So I'm just applying that and bronzing my face, adding even more warmth, all while setting the powder all while setting the cream bronzer that I put on my skin prior. So I'm just setting everything and just adding more warmth and just basically finishing off those or topping off those cream products. I'm just going to pinch my brush a little bit and get some of that on the sides of my nose. I'm going right back in with the original powder that we used to mattify just the inner portion of my face, because the blush is a little bit more radiant. So I'm just making sure it's not too radiant in the center of my face, because I like to keep that part matte. It just looks better that way, because I like a little bit of glow, but I like to control it. Everywhere can be glowy, but not the center of my face. No, ma'am. So I'm just dusting that bronzer in areas I feel I need it, and just going in and retouching the highlight down the center of my nose. And now we're going to get into the eyes. It's another Juvia's Place palette, and it's the Juvia's Place Chocolates palette. Like, I love this. This is my go-to eyeshadow palette, and I love to do a nice neutral eye look. Like, that's my favorite thing to do. I'm going in with the reddish brown into the crease and warming up the crease. And when I blend this in the crease of my eye, I do take it towards the inner portion, like right under that brow, because that helps create a little bit more dimension, and it makes the bridge of my nose more prominent, because we pretty much built that part. Like, I don't have like a true defined bridge, but doing these steps does make my bridge more prominent, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend it through the crease, and then blend it like on the sides of the nose, right under the beginning of the brow, which you saw. So I'm just going in with the reddish brown, and I did add a darker brown just to deepen the crease even more. And now I'm going in with that creamy shade that was in the palette, and I'm just going to tap that on the lid. I'm just tapping it, and the tapping motions make sure that I deposit as much color as I can, so it's a lot more opaque. And then when you see me going back and forth like that, I'm just blending out the edges. So this was a very simple eye look. We just used basically 3 colors. It looks like I put in a lot more effort than we actually did. So with a little bit of practice, you can absolutely perfect a nice simple eyeshadow look with 3 colors. Yeah, that's all you really need. Like, you don't need to do, unless you love like a cut crease and the dramatic eyes, of course you would have to practice that. But just for an everyday person, literally the most you need is 3 shadows, the most. And you can do a simple look with just 1 shadow. Sometimes I just put only bronzer on my entire eyelid, and it's beautiful. Because for me, it's all about the complexion and the skin. That's what I tend to focus on the most. That's my favorite part of makeup anyways. I don't really do a lot of eyeshadow all the time, so, you know. So right now I'm just deepening the lash line by placing the darkest brown color that was in that palette. I'm just using an angled eyeliner brush to deepen the lash line. And now we go for lashes. These lashes are from Amazon. I actually tried these on my recent eyelash video, an Amazon eyelash video. So if you saw that, you saw these lashes before. I'll make sure that I link them down in the description if you are interested. Of course, these are also affordable, because everything is affordable on this video, girl. All of it. All right, so that is the lash. Look how much that changed my face. Like, just adding eyelash to the look is a game changer. Mascara is cute, but when I'm doing a look, I need lashes. Like, where are the lashes? So this look is coming together really nicely. As soon as I get this eyelash on, we can move on to the next step. All right, so I think I got it. So now we're gonna be adding the blush. This combo is oof. It's by, the shade is called Back and Butter by NYX Cosmetics. Look at this. Are you not obsessed? Are you not obsessed? I've been loving this blush placement. When I say I am obsessed with this blush combo, girl, I mean, you can see it for yourself. I don't even have to tell you, it's evident. It's evident. So I'm just making sure that my under eyes stay perfect. So it blends the blush into the under eye. I'm not adding more blush. I'm using the brush itself just to further blend and get more color on my cheeks and on my nose a little bit, because I've been loving that placement, you know? So we're moving on to my least favorite part of makeup, and you will see why I don't like applying mascara, but sometimes you do need it, and you need a good one. This one is by Essence Makeup. They actually sent me this mascara. It's called Call Me Queen, or Queen Mascara actually. It's called Queen Mascara, and I really do love the brush on this. It's perfect for the under eye actually, but I hate applying it because, girl, look, pissed, like, look at my face. I could have just gave up on my day. I really just want to just be like, you know what? But I just move on. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'll eventually kind of flake it away. But now I'm going to put my eyeliner on. This is by LA Girl. It's in the shade Black Magic, just to add a little bit of depth to my waterline. That mascara dot kind of looks cute though, doesn't it? Like a little bit like a cute mole. Maybe not. But this is LA Girl Chai Latte. I'm going to use that to line my lip. Chai Latte is a nice, soft, subtle brown, silky smooth formula that lasts so long. Very affordable. This is I think it's less than $5 if I'm not mistaken. I love it. I love this formula, and this plumping gloss bomb by ColourPop. I did a dedicated video trying on like 4 shades. This is in the shade Vacay, and when I tell you I haven't put it down, I love it so much. It's such an easy combo because you get your lipstick and your gloss kind of in one stick, so you just need a lip liner. Okay, and you're going to see how perfect this color looks and how it just really brings the look together. And that's all I'm going to apply, that lip liner and that color. There's no other lip gloss going to be added. There's no other lipstick. There's not a 4-piece to the combo set. It's just the 2 things, a lip liner and the ColourPop Glossy Bomb. I mean, come on. Yeah. You guys definitely need to check out those ColourPop, the Gloss Bomb sticks. I have 4 shades. I'll try to remember to link the video where I tried them all on, but these are so good. And now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Makeup Revolution setting spray. And the look is almost done, guys. Okay, because I mean, we're doing setting spray, so it's pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and press that spray in with my powder puff, and my look is looking. Okay, what do you guys think? Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think about the look. I love it. Like, look at my cheeks. Look at my cheeks. Look at the blush. I feel like the blush is the pop out star of this look. The blush and the lips. What do you guys think? But hopefully you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, kitty. Bye.